In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PSD as a PDF in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your layered Photoshop file into a shareable, print-ready, or web-friendly PDF without losing control over quality. Start by opening your PSD in Photoshop. With your document on screen, head to the File menu and choose Save As. This brings up the Save As dialog, where you can tell Photoshop what kind of file you want to create. In the Format dropdown, select Photoshop PDF. This option ensures your PDF is built using Photoshop's dedicated PDF engine, which is designed to handle layers, color profiles, and high-resolution images gracefully. Next, give your file a clear name and choose where you want to save it. A quick tip, add a short note to the file name to indicate its purpose, like print or web, so you can spot the right version later. When you're ready, click Save. Photoshop will open the Save Adobe PDF dialog, where you'll set the balance between file size, quality, and compatibility. At the top, pick a preset that matches your use case. For documents you plan to send to a printer or keep in high quality, choose high quality print. If your goal is emailing or uploading and you need a smaller file, select smallest file size. These presets are smart starting points. You can still fine-tune details below if you need more control. Under compression, you can adjust how images are downsampled and compressed. For crisp print output, keep higher resolution settings and use a higher quality JPEG or even zip compression for graphics. For web or email, stronger downsampling and a medium JPEG quality help reduce size while keeping images clear enough to read. In the color section, choose settings that match your destination. For screens and general sharing, converting to sRGB is a safe, consistent choice. For professional printing, keep your document in CMYK if it was prepared that way, and embed the color profile so colors reproduce accurately. If you need to control access, open the security options to add restrictions, such as requiring a password to open the file or limiting printing and editing. Only use these if necessary, and keep your passwords secure. When everything looks good, click Save PDF to finish. Photoshop will generate your PDF in the location you chose. You can open it in your PDF viewer to confirm the output. Keep your original PSD for future edits and use the PDF for sharing and printing. That's the